Welcome. This is a 5-minute beginner-friendly morning yoga stretch just to help to wake up the body, wake up the mind, and get the body moving. Let's begin seated, circulating the neck, just feeling out all the clicks and ticks as always, and being really present here with any sensations in the neck, wherever you're feeling a stretch. Very gentle movements will go opposite direction. Back to center. We'll begin circulating the shoulders. Feel free to find some organic movement if that feels good today. Perfect. And we will go ahead and make a fist with each hand. And again, just circulating the wrists. Perfect. We'll go ahead and take the right heel beside the left hip. Left foot rests on the inside or the outside of the right knee. Sitting tall here, resting your right hand on the outside of that left knee, taking a twist towards the left, or inhale the right arm all the way up, reach tall. Exhale, twisting towards the left, that right elbow meets the left knee. Release, switching legs, sitting tall, taking whatever variation feels best for you. The left hand or elbow comes to your right knee, twisting, gazing over the right shoulder, sitting nice and tall here. With each inhale, each exhale, have the intention to twist just a little deeper here. And we'll release. Straightening the legs. You can rest here or option to cross the right leg over the left, and we'll begin to circulate the ankles, just bringing that blood flow all the way from the root of the body up into the legs. And then we'll switch legs, crossing that left ankle over the right and just circulating that left ankle. Again, release will come to our knees, coming into child's pose. Option to take the knees a little wider today for a deeper stretch. Otherwise, keep the knees together. We'll bring the forehead, chin, or cheek to the mat. Softening the shoulders with each exhale. The upper back. No tension in the arms, no clenching in the hands. Allow the hips to soften here. We'll release, coming all the way back up. So just sitting on our feet here. We'll inhale the hands up overhead. Circle the right wrist with the left hand. On an exhale, side stretch to the left. Inhale back to center. Circle the left wrist with the right hand. Side stretch to the right. Inhale, reaching overhead. Nice big breath. Exhale, hands start center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.